Hey guys, it's Ray. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. So happy to have you here. Please don't forget to subscribe down below and hit the notification bell before you leave so that you get notified when I post videos. Today's video, I am going to use the Mini MUA palette. If you've been watching my previous videos, then again, I'm going to be using it again. But today I'm going to do something that in my other video, I said I was gonna do for you guys and for myself, because I haven't used hardly, there's like 2 shades I haven't even used in this palette. 3, oh my god, what? So I haven't used this gold shimmery shade, Legendary, this brown shade in Mug, and this white shade in Cake Face. I don't think I'm gonna use Cake Face today. I'm going to use this side of the palette, the neutral side of the palette, and but I am going to do a smoky look. Anyone, if you've been watching my videos and if you know me, you know neutral doesn't cut it. I need some smoky. So anyways, I'm going to zoom you guys on in and get started on this eye look. I'm meeting some friends out later, so I do have somewhere to be, but I still want it to look good, so here we go. Alright, I got you as close as you're gonna get. I've already got my eyelids primed, and they're already creasing, of course, because my eyes are the creasiest ever. Anyways, as always, I like to do my eyeshadow with a tacky base. I don't set my primer to prime my eyelids. I use ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the shade Light 10. I'm just gonna go on in with the Life's a Drag palette. We're gonna go in with Sickening. This color is like the starter color for all looks, I think. Obviously that's why you put it in there, but it's a really great transition color. So I'm just gonna put that in my crease. As always, I'm gonna do a wing liner, so I'm just gonna go ahead and wing this out, because why not? And sorry for the shadow, by the way. I have my mirror right here so that I can see what I'm doing, but that's so you can see my eyelid. Okay, next I'm gonna take the shade Hunty right here. It's kind of a cool tone brown, which is not my favorite, but it'll be good to transition to this Mug color. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with Mug right here with an M433 brush. It's the same brush I went in with Hunty, but I have 2 of them, so I'm using a different M433 brush. I'm gonna pack that in the outer corner first, and then I'll work it into my crease. I am going to do a cut crease, so that's why I brought it over here. Then I'm going to go back in with my other M433 brush that I used on Hunty and just blend that in there. No additional product on the brush, just blending everything out. And then the same thing with the M441 and sickening. No additional product, just blending. And the last thing I'm gonna do on the outer corners is take Trade, this shade right here, and put it on my R39 brush, tap it out, and I'm mostly just going to pack it right here on the outer corner and then take it just a little bit up into the crease. Now I'm going to go in with the M433 that I used with Mug and just tap right on the edges. Something I learned from Nikki tutorials to blend. Just going to use a little bit of that color because it's super dark, and then I'm going to go in with my other M433 brush that I use with Hunty and do most of the blending with that brush. Might even put a little bit of Hunty on that brush. Yeah, just a tap. And blend. It's a blend, honey. Okay. And for one, just final blend, just for kicks and giggles, I'm gonna take my M441 that I used with Sickening, no additional product, and just blend it all out. 'Cause why not? All right, now that I've blended that out, I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease, and I'll be right back. All right, so the crease is cut and blended. I went ahead and blended it out. I'm going to blend even more so when why did I sing that? After I put the shimmer on. I'm going to use this gold legendary that I haven't used yet. I'm super excited about it, if you can. Okay, I've already sprayed Fix Plus on my brush. Gonna tap into this. Ooh, it looks pretty. Why did I tap? Nothing's gonna come off. Okay, I'm just gonna press it in. Oh my gosh. Wowza. That is so pretty. Gorgeous. I mean, wow. Okay, I'm gonna take my R39 and tap into Trade a little bit more. Just a tiny bit. And blend. Oh my god, that's so pretty. Ah. Okay, so I'm gonna go do the rest of my face and my wings, and then we'll come back and do the lower lash line. Okay guys, I am back. I've got the rest of my face on and my wings, which look pretty good and even today. Hello. I'm obsessed. Y'all know I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed with wings, period. Alright, so we're gonna do the lower lash line now. I don't have the full rest of my face on. I have like blush. I don't have blush and highlighter on, and obviously lips. I'm going to be doing a separate video on my lips, but I'll end the video with the lips on. So I will have already filmed that other video, if that makes sense. Anyways, let's do this lower lash line. You guys know I like to start with the M168 brush. It looks like this. And I'm gonna go in with Sickening, as always. And for those of you who did not see my wing liner video, I gave a little tip on the lower lash line. If you have a creasy under eye, for lack of a better word, I have a creasy under eye. No matter what I do, no matter how much I blend my concealer, it creases. Every concealer. I have not found one yet that doesn't crease. So, it's just my under eye. It's not the concealer's fault. So what I like to do is just smoke out my lower lash line and nobody sees it. Okay, next I go in with my M432 flat definer brush. And I'm gonna go into Mug. That brown shade right there. And just tight line it. And then I'll smoke it out in a second. It's kind of turned into like a purpley eyeshadow look, and I'm here for it. And I just go back in with my M168 brush with no additional product on it and just blend that out. Then I'm gonna go in with Trade, this color right here, and just put it on the outer corner of my lower lash line. Since it was the focus of my outer corner on my lid. And then I'm going to do the same thing I did before, take my first brush that I use and blend it out with no additional product on it. And for my lower lash line, I'm just going to pop in this Marc Jacobs black eyeliner. It's like a glide-on stick or whatever. Okay, and then last but not least, for my inner corner, I'm going to go in with my Amrezy highlighter in collaboration with ABH. Just pop that in there. Oh, this is such a great inner corner highlight. I think I'm gonna highlight my brow bone with this too. Just a tiny bit. Oh yeah. Wow. Just under the arch a little bit. Ooh. Come on. Alright, I'm gonna go do the rest of my face, my blush, my highlighter, my mascara, my lips, and I'll be right back, you guys. Alright, guys. We're back and we're done. Got the finished look on here. Got my lipstick on. I'm wearing Laura Lee liquid lipstick in Topless. I'm obsessed with her liquid lipsticks. I am either posting that video before or after this. I don't know yet. So either way, check out my video on her liquid lipsticks. They're absolutely amazing. So that concludes this video. I've got it all done. Everything looks good. Got my mascara on. Let me know what other videos you'd like to see in the comments below, as usual, and follow me on all of my other social media that I'll leave at the end of the video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!